Hello and welcome to your week 1 overview, and I'm going to go touch on some information regarding your final project. So if you look in e-learning under your overview, you can scroll down and you can see that this week there is a final project group information submission due. So we'll get to that in a minute. First, what I would like to do is go to course information, and I'm going to open up the syllabus and just go through a few small items that are on there. So on the first page, as usual, we've got all of my contact information. Since everybody in this class is asynchronous and we're going to do it all online, go ahead and make an appointment with me. Shoot me an email. You know, email's the best way to get a hold of me. I'm usually on email and I do have it on my phone. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to shoot me an email. Some of the other things that you're going to notice in here is the textbook and the R programming installation information. That we're going to get involved in more next week, starting in chapter 3, but the links are there and we'll go into that again next week. So here is listed all of your course requirements and assignments for the entire term, including all of the information regarding the final projects and deadlines for that. Moving on, you've got a course schedule, the weights of the categories, and the grading scale. So let's go back into the course information and let's look up what is needed for the final project. First of all, if you click on resources, I have created a new section and it's got all of the files that are related to the final project. So the first thing that you probably want to look at is the project instructions. So this is just a one-page overview document of where to find all of the pieces and the due dates for each of the pieces of this project. So you can do it in a group. That we only have 2 students. Don't know if you guys want to work together, that's fine. If you want to work individually, that's fine. The whole idea behind this is to perform an end-to-end data science project on a realistic type task. Okay, I do have some ideas of some of these projects from different people and different groups up on my website, which is located, let's go back up here real quick. Actually, it's not here. I will put a link to it in the resources, so you have a link to my website. There are a whole bunch of different options there that are available for this final project. So each project within the class is going to have a different topic. I don't want everyone doing the same one. So that will, the first thing will be to pick a project. And so first you're going to tell me whether you're going to do it in a team and individual. That's by the end of this week. By the end of next week, you're going to have your topic. So you have a full 2 weeks to look at your topic and for me to go ahead and approve that topic. So let's go back into the resources. We'll go into the overview again. As you scroll down, final project, group information submission. Basically, all of the things that are listed as each of the group projects have the instructions attached to it. Okay, so here you can click on start the final project. You can put a team name and then the list of your team members. It's not that big of a deal. Okay, so if we go back to resources, I can click on project teams and it's going to give me just a really simple list of members of your team, include a team name. 1 submission is needed per team. That's all that's necessary for the project phase. Now, let's go into my website and let's take a look at what some of the suggestions that I have are. Okay, so I've gone to my website, and as you can see up here at the top, there is a choice for IS 330 ANA 615 project suggestions. If you click on that, it actually gives several different options for your final project. There's pollution, there's nutrition facts, and it also gives you the link to the data sets. So read through some of these and that should give you some ideas for some topics. If you would like to discuss a specific topic with me, that is fine. If you have a topic that would benefit you at your job, that's fine. We just want to make sure that you can actually have your head wrapped around data science. It's not going to be as in detail as you think. Take a look through all those documents. It's going to tell you exactly what is going to be required of you. There will be some programming in R required, and you will have to find a data set to use. Again, any questions on this final project, please drop me a line. I'm here all the time. And anyway, have a great week.